Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on Link. And the Link chart is still holding here the Fibonacci support range we talked about the last few days, but that's for the blue scenario, which is highly questionable. So my preferred interpretation is still for another low, because the rally from the 10th of March, 11th of March low is really only a 3-wave move up, and this move down starts to look really like 5 waves. And to consider this to be a 1-2 setup to the upside is just more than just speculative, really. So yeah, I just have it on the chart with a Fibonacci support area so that we have a bullish alternative. We need one so that we know what would be the pathway to follow should the market turn around to the upside here. But I don't see any sign that it's motivated to do that. I don't see any sign that the bulls are trying to take the lead here. So while they tried after that 10th or 11th of March low, they clearly failed, and this is only a 3-wave move up. So I consider this to be a B-wave bounce that started there on the 10th of March. That's wave B in an ABC structure of wave 5 to the downside after wave 4 topped here around the 6th of March. So it could be really the last move down, which, as I said, should take us round about to $11. That's at least the next support level, yeah? And then we just need to see if the market can generate an upside reversal from here. We will also need a break above the last high at around $14.40 for an early indication a low has been established, but that would really just be the first earliest indication, and then we can track a potential 5-wave move to the upside, which should reach minimally, $20 plus, the 161.8 extension. So I think that should all be clear. I mean, one more low is the preferred interpretation. That will be further confirmed if the market breaks below micro support at 12.23. Let's also take a look at the bigger picture for Link. This here was really just the micro, but not much change there. Here, the larger time frame is important for those who are interested in the bigger picture and understand what the overall context is. Context is always important. So you see here that the next support is around $11, $10.70 here. That's the 50% retracement and an ideal target for such a B wave or a wave 2 correction. The idea is that we had a 5-wave move up after the June 23 lows. So I don't have a clear confirmation that a low is in though, but with a 5-wave move up, the overall focus is still on higher prices. The $6.90 level is here on the larger time frame, the main support. So as long as we're holding that, the overall focus would rather be on higher prices. We have an A wave up, and then this here would be a B wave pullback, and then the C wave should follow. A, B, C. And that C wave, could take us to round about $55.78, maybe even 98. But that remains to be seen. It depends on the microstructure as well, which I've added here to the chart sort of just as a rough roadmap, a 5-wave move up in that C wave. For now, I think the focus in the short term is on lower, as I just made clear. We can take a look at 1070, 893 and 690 for next support, but we need a break above the last high there, and we need a 5-wave move up, for example here in wave 1 of C, for really a first solid confirmation that the bullish momentum is regaining control, because at the moment the bears seem to be leading. Not much more to say really, so we still have to be patient, but the bullish thesis is still valid and relevant. That's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.